Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Pec Deck machine effectively and safely. First thing we need to do is take a seat and lean back. You can put your head back to rest. It's up to you, it's whatever is comfortable, it doesn't make too much of a difference. And then we need to adjust the height of the seat. Using the yellow lever underneath us, we want to lift, the seat is sprung loaded, we want to push down or up to adjust. We want to adjust the height so that when we are holding the grips on the bars, our elbow is level with our shoulder, so our upper arm is horizontal. From here, what we can do is set how deep we want the movement to be. For this, we can use the yellow tabs up above us, and we want to pull and adjust further back or forward. They are numbered as well. Now you want the arms to be far enough back that it's just a little bit awkward to get into position, so that when you do take the weight and there's a little bit of tension in your chest, the plates are free floating, okay? What we don't want is that slap motion every time we go far back. We want to be stretched with the plates free floating. Once we are in position and we've set our weight, we can squeeze the elbows together, breathe out, slight pause, return to the start position, just enough to feel the stretch with the plate still floating, squeeze, breathe, out, squeeze and breathe. Once we're done, release and relax.